I've been burned in the past by other contractors. How do I know this won't happen again?
So one of the things that I would suggest if you're trying not to get burned by a contractor is before signing the contract with them, take the time to review the contract with the contractor. Make sure they're on site walking through the space with you so that you get a clear understanding of what's included and what's not included. Their contract should spell out how many outlets are being put in and how many can lights and how many devices and how many feet of trim, because all of this is going to play into the final costs. If you have an inaccurate or vague description, a lot of the times that's where a customer gets burned. Another thing, check the reviews. A lot of times you're going to see right on social media, on websites, on the internet, you'll see reasons why maybe this contractor is not getting great reviews is because they're burning their customers time after time. And then the last thing is, make sure that they have warranty in place and make sure that that warranty is something that you have a clear understanding of how it works, who's responsible for following up on it, and who's ultimately going to be the person executing any claims that come up against that. If you have any questions about this, please contact our website at htcbuild.com.